Hello everyone. I just got this new ears delivered to me today. I can't wait to open it, see what's in it. It has not been opened yet, so we're gonna do it as I go. I'll explain what it is and why I'm so excited. Okay, let's start. Okay. Oh, bubble wrap, of course. Backpacks. There's one and two backpacks. Unless I get a lot of tumblers. Oh, just kidding. Alright, let's open this one of them. See what's in it. Okay. Okay. Write this down right. Hold on a second. I had to reconnect because I hit this. It disconnected me. Alrighty. Now I'm ready. Oh, I need scissors. This is gonna cut. Oh, I got it. I got it, babe. Alright, back number one. Okay. Okay, there's one here for one ear. And the reason why is two backpacks. Is that on? Get one backpack for each ear. The same thing I had 6 years ago. Oh. Okay. It's my Christmas. I got it. Good. Another one. This was says this is my new processor name. Naida, CIM, which is Marvel. Look at this, marvelous! How awesome! All right, let me figure out how to open this thing. Oh, it's got magnet. Okay. Here's this one says, connect with the moments you love. Now here's my sound processor. Wow, nice case. Ooh. What came in this box is this. This is really nice case. It came with the plug. Let me open this case. Wow, it's pretty. This is my charger, and this is my processor. Wow, it's small. Let me compare. Here's this one, and here's mine. That. This is a lot thinner. Very thin. Okay. I can't really use this now. I have to wait till I go audiologist on the 25th. I have to admit, this is really nice case. Very nice, better than the last one. Okay, I just hooked this up. Oh, and this one came in with all the cap here and the tools to put this on. That's nice. That's really cool. This is really small. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now this will fit my purse perfectly because the last one I had is so bulky I had to take it out and make a new case for it. Alright, so that's that. Now let's open this up. Okay, let's see what's in this big box. My batteries. Now the batteries. So I have one, two, three, four set of batteries. Oh, I got a, I'm not quite sure what this is for. Magnetic. Yeah, this one is part of here, this part here, that's what this is. Got two of those. And I got a charger here. Two plugs for each ear. Oh, TV connector. Now this one's gonna be awesome. You need to open that one. It's just a booklet. Don't worry about that. Alright, this is what the process, the connector. I've been using, here's for the TV connector, so I can hear the TV. What's so awesome about this processor is all Bluetooth. Yes, all Bluetooth. I don't have to keep connecting this or have to program this or this. It's all in one. Now that I'm happy with it. Alright, so that's TV, like I'm so excited about this. Because I've been listening TV through this. And when I connect myself with this, it sounds like right next to my ear and I can hear it completely. Like a speech, what do you call it? Speech recognition. It's awesome. That's what I use this for. So I'm hoping with this new processor it does that. If it does, oh my God. Alright, let's see what's in another package. Alright, let me close this up so I don't lose it. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Now there's another stuff inside, which is, I have no idea. Let me go ahead and open this up, see what it is. Let me see what this is. Oh, it's a dryer box. What I do is I put, every night I put my processor in here and it just cleans it, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it just works. I use the other one, it's very huge gray, which is pretty bad. Alright, that's what this is. Okay, now I have to open the other box because there's something else in there. Alright, I like this. Okay. Wow, it's got magnetic. Let's open this one. Box number 2. I'm so excited. As we already know what it is, it's my second one for my left ear. Now, the same thing. The earpiece, batteries, ear hook. And then I got more plugs for this ear, and I have one for the other ear. Same thing. And this one is the same one as dryer box, so I get 2. One for each ear. Alright. Oh, this is partner mic. Oh wow, I can't wait to try this. Pam is going to videotape me using this mic because I have to wait till I go to audiologist on the 25th, which is Thursday. And my audiologist has to hook me up with the computer and make sure to tune inside my ears, the sound, all that. Okay. Partner mic. I've been waiting for this for so long. This is really small. Now, this is a partner mic. What is awesome about this? Now, like I said earlier, I hope it sounds like a list TV is right, clear, speech, everything. So Pam can wear this. Do I glance to her? Oh, okay. Pam can just put this on her when she's driving or whatever. She could be sitting here and I could be in my craft room and I will hear everything she says. Oh, she better say something nice. Oh, that's what's so nice about this. I can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Yeah, I was joking with my boss. I said, Jason, if he's going to wear it so I can understand what he's talking about, if I happen to walk away and he says something nutty, I will know. He laughed about that. So that is Power Mic. Now this one is called Roger Slept In. Now this was another awesome tool that will help me. This one is, let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. It's like a dome. I've been doing research on this. Okay. This one here looks like, let me put this up, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This little tool here, each one is each person. If I have 5 person on a table, if we go out to dinner or whatever, I put this right in the middle and I turn on everybody and I can hear what the whole conversation is, which is going to be awesome. I am praying it's going to be awesome. Now, say for example, if Pam is sitting over here and these people are sitting here, if Pam is talking to someone else, I can tune her out. I just click that, I listen to her. So, this could be nice. Oh, and this thing here is my charger, which is cool. And I also hope I can put this in the TV link also, which is because you can wear it. You can put this on there and you wear it like this on anybody or whatever. If my partner mic is dead battery or whatever, this is another option to do. That's really cool. Alright, let me get the other piece out, which I think is really cool. Turn up the box like crazy. A lot of plugs. And this is the other thing, I could charge it. I just set on this here. And there's another way you can listen to TV also, if it's hooked up right. So, let's see. I think I have everything. Okay. The reason why I got this new upgrade, they discontinued the one that I have, Naida Q70. I got implanted 2013 of December. I'll never forget this. I've always come home and I was trying to see what I can hear, new sounds and all that. You all know what I've been through. I've always enter what I hear new and all that, but I'm so excited about the partner mic and the group, which is Roger Slept. I can't wait to see that, how that works. But Pam is going to videotape of me trying this out and the power mic. And that's it. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I have to have used this. I don't have to use this. Everything is all Bluetooth. That is just awesome. I just can't wait. I'm so excited. I can't wait till 25th gets here. I'm going to have to count the days. Alright. And thank you for sharing this moments with me. And I will update the video on the 25th. That's my new video of me listening to partners, mic and all that. Thank you. Have a good one. Marvelous day.